Hey, little mama.
Alright, so I did my brows off camera just so that I could save some time. Now we're gonna go into priming our eyelids, and I'm just going to use this $2 eye primer.
Perfect.
And I'm gonna go into this shade right here. We're just gonna take that color right next to it. I'm gonna go even darker. And I'm going to take this color right here because I didn't want to use black. I feel like black would be too dark. But I'm just going to take this color right here. So now I'm going to cut my crease area, and I'm just going to use a concealer that isn't too thick, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Deep. So I'm going to pat on this color onto my lid. So I'm going to add a black liner to this look, and I want it to be like super angled out. For the liner, like I also want to add some like something to stand out, and I want to use a glitter liner. So I want to use one of these, but I don't know what color. So while that's drying and burning my eyes right now, I'm gonna go to the bottom lash line. I'm gonna start off with this color right here. And then I'm gonna go in and use this shade right here, but only on the outer corner. We're gonna take that dark black color, that brownish black. It looks like a brownish black or purplish black, I don't know. And we're just going to focus that on the outer corner as well. I'm gonna take my NYX white liquid liner, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go into this color right here with a small detailing brush. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara, and I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
Perfect. Perfect.
So I'm gonna put on my lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do the rest of my face. I'm really liking this eye look. I put on some lashes, they're from Your Lash Bar, and I also added some on the bottom too. I'm really excited to see how this whole thing gonna look. We're gonna put on some primer, and I'm gonna use the All Star primer from ColourPop. It's my new favorite. I'm gonna use my ColourPop No Filter foundation. And now I'm gonna go into concealer, and I'm just going to use the No Filter concealer by ColourPop. for contouring, I'm going to use the Black Opal foundation stick in Walnut. Alright, so now I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in Banana. I kind of want to warm up my face even a little bit more. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take this color right here in the James Powell's Artistry palette. And I'm gonna set everything because I like to set my makeup. Now I'm gonna go into highlighting, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. I got the little travel size one. So my face is basically done. I'm just gonna add a lip, and for the lip I think I'm gonna do something, I don't know, I want to do a nudie lip, so we're gonna do a nudie lip. So I'm gonna use this lip liner in Chestnut from NYX. And then I'm gonna take the Tarteist lip paint in Choker. That's really nice, but I kind of want it glossy. So I'm gonna take this lip gloss from Buxom, and it's in the color Dolly, and I'm gonna put it on top. So I'm gonna do my hair off camera, and I'll be right back. This is like soft glam. Ooh, this is like holiday glam. I can name this holiday glam, right? Alright, so this is the finished look of my glam holiday makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I really like how this came out. Like, I'm really proud of myself with how this came out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Girl. This is a moment. Woo. No, none of the products that I used were expensive. The most expensive thing was probably the James Charles palette, and that's $39. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner or this corner. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.
Hey, little mama, I gotta ask me if I want to. Just tell me, can I get a